What are the health benefits of walnuts? You may think of walnuts as an ingredient for pastries and desserts. But walnuts make healthy snacks and can be used as a topping for salads, cooked vegetables, hummus, and whole grains. If this piqued your interest, we'll tackle some of the noteworthy health benefits of eating walnuts. 1. They are loaded in nutrients. 1 ounce or about a quarter cup of walnuts contains 18 grams of good fat, 4 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, and nearly 50% of the daily target for manganese. Walnuts also provide smaller amounts of magnesium, iron, calcium, and B vitamins. Further, they are rich in antioxidants that have an anti-inflammatory effects, protecting you from the onset and progression of cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative diseases. 2. They contain healthy fats. A type of omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid or ALA helps reduce inflammation. Walnuts contain more ALA than other types of nuts. A 2020 study published in Nutrients evaluated the effects of walnut consumption on the omega-3 fatty acid profile of healthy adults. Over the 4-week period, the authors found that consuming a few ounces of walnuts each day in a month improved the subject's omega-3 status. The participants had reduced body weight and experienced an increase in lean body mass and body water. 3. Walnuts benefit brain health. Eating walnuts may help delay cognitive decline in at-risk groups of older adults, based on a 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. The walnuts did not have any effect on the healthy subject's cognitive functions. However, brain MRIs revealed that the nuts had a greater effect on higher-risk people like heavier smokers and individuals with lower baseline neuropsychological test scores. 4. Walnuts aid breast cancer protection. Researchers studied the impacts of breast cancer growth in women in a study in Nutrition Research. In the trial, women with breast lumps were randomly assigned to eat either 2 ounces of walnuts a day or no walnuts for 2 to 3 weeks before their surgery. The researchers then compared the initial biopsy samples to those obtained when the lumps were removed. They found that consuming walnuts changed the expression of more than 450 genes in the tumors in ways that could suppress cancer growth and improve survival outcomes. You can eat walnuts with fresh fruit or dip them into melted dark chocolate. Walnuts are a good addition to smoothies or overnight oats or as a topping to salad. Be creative and enjoy your hearty plate of walnuts or a glass of walnut smoothie.